Hello students, the topic of our discussion is structure of an atom. What is an atom? It is the basic unit of matter. What is matter? Everything, including me, you, the chair I am sitting, everything is made up of atoms. Everything is matter and it is made up of atoms. In 1808, a scientist called John Dalton proposed atomic theory, and it states that matter is made up of tiny particles called atoms. These atoms are indivisible. It cannot be created or destroyed. And also, the atoms of same elements are identical to each other. This is the theory, atomic theory proposed by John Dalton. Scientists keep researching on the structure of atom, and later in 1897 a scientist called J.J. Thomson found that the atoms are indivisible. The John Dalton said atom is indivisible, but J.J. Thomson said that atoms are divisible and it contains negatively charged particles called electrons. Electrons are negatively charged particle. And he proposed a plum pudding model of like the structure of atom is like plum pudding model. Let's have a look at a watermelon. We all know how the watermelon looks. It has while we cutting the watermelon, we can see inside a red surface and dotted seeds. This red surface is positively charged area and the electrons are the seeds embedded in it. Okay, this is the plum pudding model or watermelon model proposed by J.J. Thomson. Later in 1900, a scientist called Goldstein found that there are not just negatively charged particles, there are positively charged particles also called protons. Later, scientists called Rutherford again experimented on researched on this structure of atom, and he conducted many experiments. One of the experiment is called alpha scattering experiment. In this, he took a gold foil, a thin gold foil. Thin gold foil means it is very thinner than aluminum. Gold is very thinner than aluminum. So he take a gold foil and bombarded alpha particles into it. What is alpha particles? Alpha particles are positively charged helium nucleus. Its source is any radioactive materials like radium. We will get this alpha particles from radium. It's a radioactive source. Okay, he started bombarding these alpha particles towards the gold foil. What did he found? He found that almost every particle, alpha particles, are going through the gold foil and some deflected with small angles like this. Almost every alpha particles went through this gold foil. A small, very few deflected like in small angle, very few deflected in a large angle, and very few rebounded back in the same angle where the alpha particle came first. So, from this experiment, he concluded that the most of the space of atom is hollow, and the positive charge is concentrated in very small area. It is concentrated in very small area, and the electrons are revolving around the nucleus. The nucleus contains positively charged proton and neutrally charged neutron, and negatively charged electrons are revolving around the nucleus. This is the structure of atom. It is similar to the solar system. We can consider the nucleus as sun and the electrons as the planets revolving around the sun. Okay? Hope you all understand the structure of atom. Thank you.